Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the TCL S55H soundbar PAX, the 2.1 channel audio system that's been making waves in the home theater market. Before you make a choice on upgrading your TV audio, you need to watch this comprehensive review where I'll break down everything after extensive testing. Don't forget to check the description for the best price available right now. So you clicked because you want to know if the TCL S55H is worth your investment. I'll be covering everything from price point, audio performance, connectivity options, and real-world usage scenarios. Let's dive right in and get started. The TCL S55H's standout feature is undoubtedly its Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X technology, delivering spatial sound that creates an immersive bubble of audio around you. With up to 220 watts of total power output, this soundbar transforms any living room into a legitimate home theater experience. The system includes a wireless subwoofer featuring a 5.5-inch driver that produces deep, room-shaking bass that you typically expect from much more expensive setups. What makes this soundbar exceptional for movie enthusiasts and casual viewers alike is the AI Sonic Auto Room Calibration technology. This intelligent feature analyzes your room's acoustics and automatically adjusts the sound output for optimal performance in your specific space. Whether you have a small apartment or a spacious living room, the S55H adapts accordingly, ensuring crystal clear dialogue and explosive action sequences sound exactly as intended. The connectivity options are remarkably versatile. The HDMI eARC connection means you only need one cable between your TV and the soundbar, eliminating cable clutter while supporting high-quality audio formats. Additionally, the digital optical input provides flexibility for older TVs without HDMI eARC's capabilities. Bluetooth wireless streaming opens up endless possibilities for music lovers, allowing seamless connection to smartphones, tablets, and other compatible devices. Furthermore, the USB audio playback feature lets you enjoy hours of music directly from flash drives. For gamers and sports fans, the DTS Virtual X technology creates virtualized 3D sound that puts you in the center of the action. Imagine hearing footsteps approaching from behind in your favorite game or feeling like you're sitting courtside during a basketball game. The spatial audio processing works with any content, not just specially encoded material, making every viewing experience more engaging. The wireless subwoofer deserves special mention for its convenience and performance. No more running cables across your room full, simply plug it into power and it automatically pairs with the main unit. The bass boost technology ensures you feel every explosion, musical beat, and dramatic moment with chest-thumping intensity that rivals dedicated home theater systems costing significantly more. Moreover, the build quality is impressive for this price range. The sleek design complements modern TVs without looking bulky or outdated. The included remote control is intuitive, allowing quick adjustments to bass levels, sound modes, and volume without navigating complex menus. However, one notable downside some users may find is that the soundbar lacks built-in voice assistant integration like Alexa or Google Assistant, which competing models in this price range sometimes include. Additionally, while the 220-watt power output is substantial, audiophiles seeking reference-level clarity at extremely high volumes might notice some compression during the loudest passages. The target audience for the TCL S55H includes anyone tired of weak TV speakers but intimidated by complex multi-speaker setups. It's perfect for apartment dwellers who want impressive sound without disturbing neighbors, thanks to the precise sound directionality. Movie buffs will appreciate how dialogue remains clear even during action-packed scenes, while music enthusiasts can enjoy rich, full-bodied sound for any genre. You got it. So, that's it for the best budget-friendly Dolby Atmos soundbar on the market for this year. Like, comment if you're gonna buy it, or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe.